When I started building things from scratch, I thought the best part would come much later, when one of my projects finally worked and I had a real result to show for all the time I had put into it. Recently, I noticed that the moment I enjoy most usually happens at the end of a completely normal day. When I close my laptop, I realize that something exists now because I decided to make it. The other day I had a rough idea for a video in my head, and honestly it wasn't even clear enough for me to explain properly. But I sat down, worked through it, recorded myself talking, and slowly turned that unfinished thought into something I could actually upload. Nothing dramatic happened after that. The video didn't suddenly change my life, but I remember looking at the finished version and thinking that only a few hours earlier there was nothing there. I think that feeling surprised me, because I always imagined progress would feel much bigger, almost like you would immediately know when you were moving in the right direction, but most of the time it doesn't feel like that while it's happening. And you're simply sitting there trying to make one thing a little better, and you usually don't notice how far you have moved until the day is over. That's probably why I have started enjoying the process more than I expected, because even when nobody sees the result yet and nothing exciting happens around it, I still get to finish the day knowing that I created something real. And I'm building projects from zero and recording the process because I genuinely enjoy seeing an idea slowly become something another person can watch and connect with.